discover free Google courses to boost your skills. Welcome to our guide on free Google courses that can empower you with valuable skills for today's digital world. In an era where continuous learning is key to personal and professional growth, Google offers a wealth of courses accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or location. Whether you're looking to advance your career, explore new interests, or sharpen existing skills, these courses provide a pathway to knowledge that is both enriching and practical. Join us as we delve into the world of free Google courses and discover how you can leverage them to unlock your full potential. In this video, we're going to look at 1. What are Google courses? 2. Benefits of taking Google courses. 3. Overview of free Google courses. 4. Top free Google courses to consider. 5. How to enroll and navigate Google courses. 6. Success stories. 7. Tips for maximizing your learning experience. Let's get started. What exactly are Google courses? Simply put, they are free online learning opportunities provided by Google across a wide range of subjects. These courses are designed to help you acquire new skills or deepen existing ones, all from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're interested in digital marketing, programming, data analytics, or entrepreneurship, Google courses offer a structured learning experience that is both comprehensive and accessible. With expertly crafted content and the backing of Google's expertise, these courses provide a credible pathway to gaining valuable knowledge and certifications that can enhance your resume and career prospects. Stay tuned as we explore the benefits and opportunities that await you with Google courses. Why should you consider taking Google courses? The benefits are plentiful. Firstly, they offer a fantastic opportunity to acquire valuable skills that are in demand in today's digital economy. Whether you're looking to master digital marketing strategies, delve into data analytics, or enhance your programming prowess, Google courses provide expert-led instruction that's both comprehensive and up-to-date. Secondly, completing these courses can bolster your resume and make you more attractive to potential employers. Many Google courses offer certifications that are recognized in the industry, demonstrating your proficiency in specific areas of expertise. Lastly, these courses are free and accessible to everyone, regardless of your background or location. This means you can learn at your own pace, from anywhere in the world, without financial barriers. Let us explore the diverse range of Google courses available and how they can help you achieve your career goals. Now, let's explore some of the top free Google courses that you can consider to enhance your skills and career prospects. 1. Digital marketing. Dive into courses on search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, and Google Ads certification. These courses are ideal for anyone looking to master online marketing strategies and boost their digital presence. 2. Data and tech. Explore courses on Python programming, machine learning basics, and cloud computing. Whether you're a beginner or looking to deepen your technical expertise, these courses provide essential knowledge in today's data-driven world. 3. Business and career. Enhance your entrepreneurial skills with courses on business management, project management fundamentals, and even career development strategies. These courses are designed to equip you with practical insights and tools for professional success. Each of these courses is accessible for free through Google's platforms like Google Digital Garage, Google Skillshop, and Google Developers. Whether you're aiming to advance in your current career or pivot into a new field, these courses offer valuable learning opportunities that can make a significant difference. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into each category and highlight specific courses that could align with your goals and aspirations. Now that you're interested in Google courses, let's walk through how to enroll and navigate these valuable resources. 1. Accessing Google courses. Start by visiting platforms like Google Digital Garage, Google Skillshop, or Google Developers. These platforms host a variety of free courses covering topics from digital marketing to programming. 2. Course selection. Browse through the available courses and select one that aligns with your interests and career goals. You can filter courses by category, difficulty level, or duration to find the perfect fit. 3. Enrollment process. Click on the course you wish to take and follow the prompts to enroll. Most Google courses are self-paced, allowing you to start learning immediately without any prerequisites. For learning experience, Once enrolled, you'll have access to video tutorials, interactive quizzes, and practical exercises designed to reinforce your learning. Many courses also offer downloadable resources and community support to enhance your experience. 5. Tracking progress. Monitor your progress through the course dashboard, which tracks completed modules and assessments. Some courses offer certificates upon completion, which you can showcase on your LinkedIn profile or resume. 6. Continued support. Take advantage of forums and discussion boards to connect with fellow learners and mentors. These platforms provide a collaborative environment where you can ask questions and share insights. By following these steps, you can make the most of Google's free courses and accelerate your journey towards acquiring valuable skills for today's digital world. Stay tuned as we explore success stories and practical tips for maximizing your learning experience. Now, let's hear some inspiring success stories from few individuals who have benefited from Google courses. We start by visiting businesswomen in Africa who embarked on entrepreneurial journeys with the help of Google. These entrepreneurs turned their passion into profit with Google's business management courses. Through learning key concepts in entrepreneurship and project management, they launched their own successful startup and continue to thrive in a competitive market. We will then visit some women in a village in Pakistan who also used skills acquired from Google to get into the job market when they thought there were no opportunities for them.
मैं हमेशा से अपनी कम्युनिटी की ख़वातीन की मदद करने का ख्वाब देखती थी। गिलगित बल्तिस्तान में बड़े होते हुए मैंने इकोनॉमिक सोशल बैरियर्स को बहुत करीब से देखा, जिन्होंने ख़वातीन को आगे बढ़ने से रोक रखा था। अक्सर ख़वातीन की सलाहियतें तालीम तक नाकाबिल रसाई, माली मजबूरियाँ और ख़ानदानी जिम्मेदारियों की वजह से महदूद रह जाती हैं, जिसकी वजह से इनके करियर के मौके और भी कम हो जाते हैं। एक औरत होने की हैसियत से मैं इनका दर्द समझ सकती थी और इनके हालात बदलने की ख्वाहिश मेरे दिल में पैदा हुई और मैंने ये अपना ज़ाती मिशन बना लिया कि इन औरतों के ख्वाबों को पूरा करने के लिए मैं इनकी भरपूर मदद करूंगी। इसी मिशन के तहत मैंने टेक अल्फोलॉजिक्स की बुनियाद रखी। ये एक वुमेन फोकस्ड इदारा है जो ख़वातीन को स्किल्स और नॉलेज देता है। 2019 से लेकर अब तक हमने मुख्तलिफ ट्रेनिंग्स और वर्कशॉप्स ऑर्गेनाइज की, जिनकी वजह से हमारी रीजन की औरतें और भी एम्पावर हुई। इसी दौरान मैंने टेक वैली के जरिए गूगल करियर सर्टिफिकेट्स प्रोग्राम के बारे में जाना और इसको अपनी मकसद की तकमील का जरिया पाया। इस प्रोग्राम की रसाई के लिए हमने अपने इलाके के कम्युनिटी लीडर्स से ताउन किया और मिलकर टीम्स बनाई, जिन्होंने मुख्तलिफ ख़वातीन तक पहुंचकर इनको इस अपॉर्चुनिटी के बारे में आगाह किया। इन कोशिशों के जरिए हमने कामयाबी के साथ इस प्रोग्राम को 250 से ज़ायद ख़वातीन से मुतारिफ करवाया, जो इनके करियर में अब नए मौके पैदा कर रहे हैं।
कुछ घरेलू इश्यूज़ की वजह से मेरे लिए रोज़ाना ट्रेनिंग सेंटर जाना पॉसिबल नहीं था। मैं इस वजह से अपने करियर डेवलपमेंट को लिमिट नहीं करना चाहती थी, इसलिए मैंने ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज ढूंढना शुरू किए। जब मुझे पता चला कि मैं डिजिटल मार्केटिंग यानी ई-कॉमर्स का कोर्स घर बैठे कर सकती हूँ तो मेरी मुश्किल बहुत आसान हो गई। कोर्स मुकम्मल करने के बाद अब मैं डिज़ाइन एंड टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी में मार्केटिंग लीड के तौर पर काम कर रही हूँ।
मेरा एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड मैथमेटिक्स था, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरी फील्ड से रिलेटेड कोई जॉब मुझे नहीं मिल रही थी। डेटा एनालिटिक्स एक ऐसी फील्ड है जिसका मुझे बहुत शौक़ था। जब मैंने गूगल कैरियर सर्टिफिकेट्स प्रोग्राम देखा तो फ़ौरन इसमें एनरोल किया। कोर्स मुकम्मल करने के सिर्फ 1 माह बाद मुझे मुकामी कंपनी में डेटा एनालिटिक्स का प्रोजेक्ट मिला। मैं गूगल कैरियर सर्टिफिकेट्स की मशहूर हूँ, जिसने मुझे सही कैरियर पाथ पे चलने में मदद की।
मेहनत और लगन के ज़रिए हमारी ख़वातीन करियर के मौक़े पैदा कर रही हैं, जो गूगल करियर सर्टिफिकेट्स प्रोग्राम के ज़रिए मुमकिन हुआ।
These stories highlight the transformative power of Google courses, demonstrating how individuals from diverse backgrounds have leveraged free online education to achieve their professional goals. Stay tuned as we share practical tips to help you embark on your own journey of growth and success. Here are some top tips to help you get the most out of your learning journey. 1. Set clear goals. Start by defining your objectives. Understand why you're taking the course and what you hope to achieve. Identify specific skills or knowledge you want to gain. 2. Create a study schedule. Allocate regular time slots in your week dedicated to the course. Break down the content into manageable sections and set deadlines for each. Consistency is key. 3. Active participation. Engage actively with the material. Take notes, highlight important points, and summarize each lesson. Complete all practical exercises and projects to reinforce your learning. 4. Utilize available resources. Make the most of supplementary materials like readings, forums, and videos provided in the course. Familiarize yourself with related Google tools, such as Google Analytics or Google Ads. 5. Join study groups. Engage with other learners through discussion forums or study groups. Peer support can be incredibly valuable for exchanging insights and enhancing your understanding. 6. Apply what you learn. Try to implement what you've learned in real-world scenarios, such as personal projects or at work. Consider offering your newly acquired skills in freelance or volunteer projects to gain practical experience. 7. Seek feedback. Request feedback from peers or mentors to get different perspectives on your work. Regularly assess your own progress and identify areas for improvement. 8. Stay updated. Keep an eye on any updates or new content added to the course. Stay informed about the latest trends and developments in the field related to your course. 9. Reflect and iterate. Periodically review what you have learned and how you have applied it. Modify your learning strategies based on what has been most effective. 10. Certifications and badges. Ensure you complete all assessments and quizzes to qualify for any certifications or badges. Showcase your achievements by adding certifications to your resume or LinkedIn profile. By following these tips, you can enhance your learning experience, retain more information, and effectively apply your new skills in practical settings. In summary, we discussed how exploring free Google courses can boost your skills in the digital world. We looked into the benefits of these courses, which ones are popular, steps to getting started, and learning tips. In conclusion, Google's free courses offer an excellent opportunity to boost your skills and advance your career. Start exploring today and take the first step towards mastering new skills. If you found this video useful, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends as well.